with your hand in mine. Oh my, I remember those nights, meeting with your uni, cheap drinks, drink 'em all night, staying out till sunrise, share a single bed and tell each other what we dream about, things we never say to someone else out loud. We were only kids just trying to work